Since we are having some students email us through Canvas, I wanted to show you something to do to check to make sure that you do have an email address tied to your Canvas account. So if you'll come into Canvas and go to your account button, which is right up here, and then you're going to come down here to settings. And once it opens up, hopefully you will see over here that you have an email address tied to it. And I have this one set as my default. This was pre-populated for me. I did not have to go in and do this. So I would assume that's the same for everybody else, but I am getting emails from students that go whenever they are writing to me in my inbox, which is over here. So you see I have 2 messages that I haven't read yet or haven't responded to, I guess really. I've seen them. So when they're writing to me here, so for instance, I have a message here from this student. I also got that email. I got an email alert sent directly to my AISD.net email address telling me that she had written to me. So you want to make sure that that email address is tied to your Canvas account. And it looks like you can add another address. So if you want to tie that to your personal address, so you get an announcement there as well. Like Ms. Parson said, we may want to keep them, if you're not used to looking in here, you might direct your students to email you a different way, but I think maybe it might be a good idea to go ahead and tie it to make sure in case they are wanting to contact you this way. The issue that I found today on our calls with the TI Squared team is that I actually sent emails through Canvas to all of my students. And you'll see these ones at the top are ones that I've been able to have conversations with them. But I sent them to everyone in my Canvas course. And these down here are all folks that I sent something to back in March, and I haven't heard back from them. What I found through this call is that it does not actually look like these accounts are linked to their school email accounts. So they would have to come into Canvas to see this unless we show them how to link it to their email account, which I don't think needs to happen. But if you have done the same as I have and written to them through Canvas, just know that if they aren't getting into Canvas, they may not know that you reached out to them. So this is probably not the best way to reach out to students until you've already had the conversation. So now I know that I can talk to Faith and I can talk to Elizabeth through here because we are communicating that way. But these other folks, at least for now, that I know that that's not the best way to contact them. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.